So this is the bracket for the supercharger. It's also a passage for the coolant here, from here, from the radiator going here to the water pump. And this is the hole for the oil pressure that goes out here to the supercharger, and also the oil drain from the supercharger is here and here, going here to the block, to the center of the block. We will now install this. There's a sequence in installing the parts here. You install first the bracket for the supercharger, then you install the water pump, then you install this cover, plate cover, and you install this coolant pipe, and you install the bracket here for the engine support. Three tensioners. Plastic is here at the bottom. Three tensioners.